Hi everyone, I'm Manisha Singh. Welcome back to my channel, The Soul Speaks. Today I'm talking about one of my favorite applications out there, which is Couchsurfing. And most importantly, is it free of cost? So before I dive into answering that question, what is Couchsurfing? Couchsurfing is a community for cultural exchange. Now, how does that cultural exchange happen? Through various means. Like one of the medium is there are some city forums where you can indulge in conversations with people from your city, people interested in your city, people visiting your city. The other option is you can meet people who are visiting your city from various parts of your country, various parts of the world. The third and most important one, the soul of Couchsurfing, is you can either be a host or you can be a guest at one of these community members' places. So, what is being a host? Being a host means you open the doors to your house to welcome one of the or more than one of the community members, and you expect nothing in return but kindness. Being a guest is the other side of the story, wherein when you're traveling to another city, you send in a request to one of these community members to be a guest at their place and be a nice human being. Um, yeah, so that's very simply put what the couchsurfing community is. Now, coming to the most important question, the question that I'm trying to answer through this video, is couchsurfing for free? Now, a month ago, things were different. So, what was the story until a month ago? Most of the features on this application were free of cost. I'm a free member. I could use most of the features on the website. However, like most of the good applications out there, community members had a choice to have a verified account. They could pay a nominal fee, which was also dependent on what country you were from, and get their account verified. Now, what was the difference between a verified account and a free account? There were some features that were especially available for a verified account member. For example, a verified member could send in unlimited couch requests a month, whereas a free member could only send in limited couch requests a month. This change was also not there earlier when I joined Couchsurfing. It was introduced a few years ago. However, things changed a month ago. So, what happened in mid May 2020? Mid May 2020, some people received an email from Couchsurfing team that they could no longer access their account. They had to pay a fee to be able to continue using the application. Now, this fee is nominal. This fee is $15 a year for someone from US. These fees again adjusted basis the country your account is from. And also, this fee is applicable only to 25% of the countries around the world. Other country members can continue using their account for free. Like me, I am from India. I never got that mail. So I believe I can continue using my account for free at the moment. I joined Couchsurfing about a decade ago, and in this decade, I have seen the community change drastically from technology to the community, how the community functions. The yeah, in general. Yeah, I've seen it change, grow from 1 million to now 15 million. It's really different. And in these 10 years, the Couchsurfing team has gone back on their words a couple of times. So I wouldn't be surprised if I get an email from them tomorrow that I have to pay to continue using the application. And to be honest, I'm okay doing that because I've gained tremendously from the application. However, not everyone is okay paying that fee. Especially imagine someone who has an account just to host people. Why am I going to pay any money? I don't care how much that money is, but why would I want to pay someone so that someone else could stay with me for free? It's the community is definitely going to drastically change now on. I don't know if it would be for good or worse, because there are some good communities out there like Workway, Woofing, that where there is a joining fee, an annual fee that you have to pay. But you know what? I never joined them just because they had a joining fee. So this was about the technology aspect of it. So this is what someone has to pay to use the application. depending on what country they are from. What about the staying part of it? That remains free. So the hosts are not expected to charge money to from the guests, and similarly, guests don't have to pay their host to stay for their stay. But for the technology, yeah, there is a fee to it that now. So to summarize, is couchsurfing free? I would have to give you the most annoying answer in the world. It depends. It depends what country you're from, and yeah, it only depends on that. If you have not tried couchsurfing yet, you yeah, I can't say go try because the world has solved it. You can't use the application now. So I hope this video answered your question. If you have any more questions regarding couchsurfing, please feel free to ask me here. I have a lot of experience with couchsurfing. I've been using it for 10 years. Huge champion of couchsurfing. I've also used it in various states. I started using it when I was in Hyderabad. Then I was in Bhubaneswar for some time. Then I was in Mumbai, and then I traveled around the world. And now I'm back in Mumbai. So I've experienced using the application in various cities in India, and as a traveler, feel free to ask. Bye bye. Enjoy your day. Enjoy rest of the week. Bye.